Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a fun one today because today is my birthday and I have some presents to open, and one of them I've been waiting to open all day. Cam is here with me and she's already modeling some things that I got this morning. John woke me up this morning with a couple of packages, and one of them was this stuff from Royalty Dolls on Etsy. Some really cool gold bangles and this cute little headband tiara type piece, which I thought was a bracelet initially, and it's not. It's actually a headpiece for her. So you can see it's just this cute little pink flower on a silver headband. And when I first looked at it, I thought it was a bracelet because she got bracelets, because it actually does go onto my wrist, but it flips right off because it's actually shaped for her head. So I think she can use it as like a headband or as like a diadem kind of thing, which is kind of cute too. So there were a couple of other things, but the one that we really wanted to come on and talk about was this box from Culture Japan. So I am going to open this and we're going to see what is inside.
All right, did you get your permit to use that?
I've never had a permit for one of these. I cut myself all the time.
Okay. So...
I don't want to cut into anything.
Here, at least do it the safe way. Pull it back so it's just a little.
I like to go for it when I do things. He autographed it.
What does it say?
It says, "Happy birthday, Sandy, Danny Choo." That is so cool. Happy B-Day, Sandy. Awesome. Thank you, Danny. So very obviously, it is a smart doll. So that is very exciting because it is the special bag. Should I take this one out first?
I was like, what do you want to do? Do you want to know who it is first?
Yeah, let's figure out who it is. Let's.
Because you're about to see it's the sticker's right on top.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Let's.
You gonna show them first?
Okay, you guys want to see first? You can see before I do. Should we open this first? Does it matter?
It's your birthday.
Oh, okay. So it's got some bags on the top, so I'm gonna leave that for now.
It's like accessories and stuff.
Yeah. It's Entropy! It's Entropy! Woo! Cammy!
I got her.
Poor Cammy! Not only is she getting someone else to occupy my attention, but I'm knocking her off the table.
You're literally knocking her off her pedestal?
Yes, I'm knocking her off her pedestal. Okay, so let's straighten her out here. Entropy has been on my list for a long time. Well, for a long time for us, because we haven't really been into these dolls for that long. But, oh wow, she's beautiful! Oh my gosh, she has the best face! I gotta take her out. Let's put her up here so you guys can see her face. Bend her knees a little here. She's so pretty. She's very different from Cammy Moment. Her face is just beautiful. I love her green eyes, and she has really nice like blush on her cheeks. She's so cute. Ugh, I love her. I love her facial expression too. It's just so, I don't know, there's something about her face that's just...
I have to say, she looks different than I expected. The real eyes looked much more closed off, looked much more Barbie-like on the pictures on the website, and in person, doesn't come across that way.
Oh yeah, these dolls are gorgeous on the website, but in person, they are like so much more. They are just so beautiful. So I mean, if you're contemplating getting one, like, it's worth it. They're really nice dolls. So we have a box for her. What do you think, Cammy? Let's bring you over here again, because now that I've knocked you over and her diadem fell off. You're gonna have to share your bracelets with Entropy, who does not have a name yet. I have to come up with a name for her. I love her look. She's very John and I have talked about this before. She's very.
I can't get this on back. There you go.
She's very Jane Austen kind of looking. She's gonna do historical stuff very, very well, I think. I like the softness of her face. We will put Cammie back over here. So she's got these beautiful green eyes. Let's turn her head a little bit. So I don't know. It's hard to. There we go. Okay, so let's open this box. It's so much fun. I love her. She has been like at the top of my list for quite a while. And the new range, the rest of them are pretty much all the new range of dolls, and they haven't started coming out yet, although they are supposed to start this month. So we got a couple more bags from the Mirai store. I really love this. I think this is supposed to be Chitose, right?
I have no idea anymore.
I think we have to find out. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments who it's supposed to be. But I thought that this was Mirai. I thought maybe this was Chitose, but...
I think because of the gray hair that you might be right, but...
Someone tell me in the comments who it is if you are so inclined. We have Entropy's wig, which is actually, I believe, the same, at least I was told, is the same as Moment's wig. They always say to put these on without the head on, but I don't know. I tend to do it with the head on. If I can. There's going to be a little struggle here. Yeah, this wig is really tight. Let's see. I kind of like this. Her part is in the middle right now, and it's got this sort of like 70s vibe to it.
It is very Farrah.
There we go. That's a little better. There. The wig makes so much difference. So it is. This is the long platinum blonde. So, which I believe is also exactly what Moment has. But we do, like I said, we do have some other wigs that we can try. There's some other stuff in this box. Oh, we got the white. We got another white lace panty set. Thank you, honey. Get that for Entropy, my new girl. I keep knocking them over. Why am I doing it? And we've got the protective leggings. Very good to have because they can get stained. And this is just so her. I love this. We got the gray cardigan sweater. Maybe we'll put this on her right now. Over her panties. She can lounge in her gray cardigan sweater. It's so nice. Such a fine knit. I love the little pockets. It's actually very lightweight, but it gives the impression of being much chunkier than it actually is, which is kind of cool.
I want to take the hands off.
Yeah, she's going to poke right through the knit. Oops, not the whole hand. Wow, these hands are on tight. There we go. She is so cute. And it's really interesting because we actually have a friend who has a daughter who is 7, almost 8, I think. And this doll looks like her. And I kept looking at this doll and thinking, who does this look like? And it definitely looks like our friend's daughter. There we go. So there's the cardigan. Let's see if we can stand her up. So cute. It's got real little pockets in it. And it can roll the sleeves up and push them up. Super cute.
Do you want to
Put her on her stand? Yeah, because there is a stand in the box like there's supposed to be. But we've got one with the, what is this called again, John?
Was it the hyper joint?
Turbo joint. That's it.
Hyperloop?
Yeah, she's really cute. So we get, let's see, pull Cammy out here. You can see they have the same wig, but it looks totally different on each of them. They give it a totally different look. Moment is very, I don't know, how would you just, she's like kind of cute, sexy, and with her tousled wig, and Entropy is much more the girl next door, I think.
I imagine her either from a bygone era or at the very least with her nose in a book of such a time.
Okay, so that was my birthday unboxing. She's very, very pretty. Maybe we'll do another video where we'll try some other wigs on Entropy. But that's it. Thank you for joining me for my fabulous birthday unboxing. I'm very excited to have a new friend to work with in my sewing room. And I'm sure John will be happy to have another model for photos. She's so pretty. Thanks! Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to be notified when I post new videos.